friends, welcome to Amakshi Excel tutorials. Let's learn and conquer the fear of Excel. Before we start the video, please press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Today we'll be discussing about a new topic, that is cells. Now as you can see on your screen, cells contain insert, delete and format. We'll be talking about them one by one. Now what is insert? Insert helps you insert the cells. It can be in row wise, column wise or the entire sheet. Now let's say you want to insert a new row before the Vijay Arora. Then what you'll do, you'll take your cursor here, click on insert, then entire row and click OK. A new row has been inserted. What if you want to insert a new column before the email ID? So what you'll do, click on email ID, insert, cells, entire column, click OK. As you can see, it has been inserted. Now, there are two more options. Let's say you want to make a space and you want to shift the cell towards right. As you can see, this cell has been shifted towards right. What if you want to shift cell down? Click 19th May has been moved down. Insert sheet rows will do the same function. We'll insert the row before. Insert column will insert a column before. Now let's say you want to insert an entire sheet. Now as you can see, this is your current sheet, that is cells, and you want to insert a new sheet. So what will it do? It will insert a new sheet before the cells sheet. What if we want to delete it? Click delete. Now how does a delete function works? It helps you delete the cells similar to insert. It can also be in row wise, column wise or the entire sheet. Now let's say you want to remove this blank space. Go to delete, delete cells, entire row, delete. Delete cells, deleted. Then if you want to shift cells left towards the left, one cell has been deleted. What if you want to delete the entire sheet? It will give you that you won't be able to recover it. You can't undo the deleting sheets. You might be removing some data as well. If you only need that, you have to click delete, otherwise click cancel. Now what is format? Format lets you make the changes in your cells. Now what are the changes that you can make? You can change the cell size. There's a function of cell size. What it can do, it can change the row height or the column width according to your data or as required. Next comes the visibility. It can hide or unhide the rows or columns from your sheet. Next, organize sheets. It helps you organize your sheet. Now, what all comes in organized sheet? You can rename your sheet, you can move or copy your sheet, or you can change the tab color. What is protection? You can protect the entire sheet or lock some of the selected cells. The last, format cells, that is, which opens a window of format cells. If you remember, we already discussed it. Now let's see all these in Excel. Now let us select the data and make the changes in that. Click on format, row height. First is cell size we are discussing about. Row height, now you can see it is written as 15.75. Let us make it as 20. What you can see, the row height has been increased. What if you want to decrease it or you want it auto fit according to your data? So click on auto fit. It will fit the row height according to your data. Next comes the column width. Now it's blank. Let's say you put it as 25. Column width has been increased. What if you want to auto fit it? It will adjust according to your data. Then there's the option of default width. If you want, you can change it. Otherwise, let it be as it is. Next comes the visibility, height or unheight. Now let's say you are working on a larger data and now for a while you don't want to display numbers, candidate numbers. What will you do? Click on format, select the candidate number column, format, go to format, hide and unhide, hide columns. As you can see, your contact number of the candidates has been hidden. Now let's say you want to hide the data of 18th May. What you'll do again, you want to select it, go to format, hide and unhide, hide rows, hidden. Now suppose you get a sheet like this and you want to see the contents of C column and you can see there's a row also missing. So how will you see it? Go to format, hide and unhide rows. Similarly, unhide columns. Now you can see the complete data. Next comes the organized sheets. Now in organized sheets, what you can do, rename sheet. What if you want to rename the sheet? If you want, because by default your sheets would be sheet 1, sheet 2. I have renamed this sheet as cells. You can also rename it just by clicking it here. Next, move or copy sheet. Now when you click it, first it shows the default option as move. Now first you have to decide to which book you have to move. Let's say you just want to copy this sheet to this sheet itself. You don't have to move it or copy it to another sheet. So what you'll do, you have to copy it. So for that you have to click create copy. Now which sheet you want to copy, you have to decide. Let's say you want to copy cells. Click OK. As you can see, a new sheet with the name cells 2 has been inserted. Now if you want to delete it, you can simply. Now comes the tab color. What if you want to change the color? Now just look at the changes. Let's say we select this. So as you can see the difference between these two. This been dark and this been normal. Next comes the protection. Now what if you want to protect the sheet? That means you are sharing this sheet with someone else, but you want them to make only limited changes. You don't want them to make all the changes in the sheet. So you can just select or deselect whatever you wish to, what changes are allowed and what changes are not allowed. Accordingly, you can click OK and put a password to unprotect the sheet. Next, lock cell. Now, if you want to lock a specific cell instead of the entire sheet, you can use lock cell. The last comes the format cell. It will open this window. We have already discussed about the same in one of our video. If you want, I'm giving you a link upwards. You can just click on the I button and check the video. If you like the video, please click on like button and please subscribe for more videos.